We would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to the Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineers, PSME, 9th Luzon Regional Conference, Batangas Chapter, for graciously featuring the Diamante Group of companies, specifically Universal Techno Piping Corporation, as an exhibitor in the event held on July 21st, 2023.
We would like to thank you all. First, God, for looking at us and executing this conference successfully and safely. Secondly, we would like to thank also our sponsors who have supported us, the delegates for coming over and joining us in this conference. With your support, this conference will not be a success. To the National and DOT Secretariat, Batangas Chapter Chairperson, my committee, the working committee, JTSMB, and the whole of Batangas Chapter, thank you all. Your effort, support, and contributions are very well recognized and very much appreciated. I can say much more rather than a big thank you to all.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng delegates and participants. Welcome po kayo dito sa probinsya ng Batangas, and umaasa po kaming nag-enjoy po kayong lahat, and see you sa 71st convention ng PSME. Maraming salamat po. Bye!
Ang objective ng presentation nito, ng methodology nito, for example, meron tayong mga naiisip na magandang ideas, any ideas, meron tayong naiisip. Ang nagiging concern, walang continuity, napuputol. Hanggang isip na lang, hanggang sulat na lang. Ang target natin, hanggang may tayo yung project, may tayo yung project, operation and maintenance, hanggang sa tumakbo yung mga ideas na naisip natin. Ito yung methodology na gamitin natin para at least tuloy-tuloy.
I'll just be sharing with you the latest administration and enforcement of labor standards by the Department of Labor and Employment. So, wala na po yung Department Order 183. Ito yung sinusunod namin or sinusundan namin kung nag-i-inspect po kami sa mga establishments. Okay. As mechanical engineers, dapat alam dito because some of you are employed in the private sector, in the companies. Yung mga kasama kong taga-dole, review lang natin to. But I will be presenting this one before you as mechanical engineers.
And I am here to thank every one of you for attending this conference and for being part of this momentous event for the host chapter, the PSME Batangas chapter. So we hope that you enjoyed our conference and you enjoyed the preparations we did for you guys. So welcome to the province of Batangas and welcome to the PSME.
expensive for them na gawing 220 yung system nila kasi in place talaga sa kanila ay 110 volts. Pero yung mga later civilization or developing countries, ang nagamit na nila ay 220, and sa motor nga, which was also invented by Tesla because of his alternating current. So kung walang Nikola Tesla, we don't have that induction motor. So siya yun.
By virtue, the power bestowed upon me by the PSME CBN as your national president, I do hereby call this LRC Luzon Regional Conference plenary session to order.
Without any hesitation, the challenges of hosting the 10th Luzon Regional Conference in Kawayan City on May 2024.
In behalf of PSME Batangas Chapter, nais kong pasalamatan ang aming mga sponsor, mga nag-sponsor sa aming golf tournament, mga nag-sponsor sa aming exhibit, sa city government, sa pagpapaunlak kay Mayor, and sa Congressman, salamat din sa pagpapaunlak, lalo na kay Governor sa pagpunta dito at pagbibigay ng mensahe sa amin. Salamat din sa aming venue, sa Gina Cells, sa pag-accommodate sa aming event at sa aming mga supplier pa. Salamat po!